There's a new update for the Hover Air X1 Pro and the Beacon. We've got a few new modes. We've got indoor tracking mode, ski mode and cycling mode. And cycling mode's the one I want to try today. Now this is going to be a real tough test for it. We've got a real twisty coming up here. Come on little drone, don't let me down. I can see it's still tracking me on the screen. Absolutely brilliant. Come on little drone. Still there. Well, I'm going to be perfectly honest with you guys. I didn't think this Hover Air was going to keep up with me through those tight twisties because there was some really low branches. I thought they were going to catch it out. But I could see everything what was happening on this Beacon screen. Now when you buy a Hover X1 there's different combos, and of course I went for the cycling combo and that has the Beacon with it and some other cool gadgets. Now this cycling mode has got two different features. It's got open air tracking, which is great for mountain roads and things like that, open spaces, and it uses the best battery power. And then it's got the tight trail tracking, and that's the one I'm interested in. It's supposed to mimic the rider's exact movements, avoiding collisions. Let's see about that. What I want to do now is put the Beacon on Paul's bike, go ahead of him and see if it will track Paul. I really enjoyed that test. This drone knew who had the Beacon and it just stuck to him like glue. But that's it guys, if this video's brought you any entertainment or value, why not like and subscribe to the channel so we can test some more tech in the future together. Bye for now.